like to thank my patient who did the first hair transplant with me about 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Extremely happy with the results. Of course, wanted more hair, and then came in to fill up in between so they get a fuller density of hair.
Yes, correctly.
Alright,
I look like 18.
yes, hair gives you youthful.
Yeah,
When you
sure.
have a youthful look, you get the energy to become and behave like one youthful guy.
Of course.
Yeah, really.
Right.
So you dress up youthfully, you go out, you drink, you enjoy, you do everything like a small guy. Yeah, so I'd like to thank Michael for supporting Clinic Dr Inder again. Thank you so
Every
much.
time again.
Every time again, wow, say something good.
All the team here is really professional and very kind and very professional. Come here, do your hair transplant.
Thank you so much. This means so much to me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Thank you.